This is a digital timer. You can use it for air track or any other apparatus. It has a on off switch and the time is 0.01 second on the top side. You can see in this, and then when you reset it, 0.01 second is the reading. Here it is 0.001, 1 millisecond. You can reset it. They are to be connected. Tripod is there. You put the rod here on this bottom, one T type connection, and then it can be used this way or the other way. One cable is to be connected to stop. This is to start. When I put it on here, I cross anything from between this and it crosses the other, it stops. And the faster, then I can reset it again. Now I just make it faster, it crosses faster. Again make it, I can make it with the card. It's 8 seconds. You can come close, reset it, and see this time will become very slow, fast, 0.4 second. In the air track, when one trolley crosses the first section, it goes to the other section. It tells you how many milliseconds it has taken. Very easy to use, and please visit the website and abron01. You can write us and send us an email or subscribe to our channel. And the gates are there. This has a sensors is there. Please take care of them. They should not fall. This is a digital instrument. And visit our website and subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much.